It's pretty, but it's terrible for this road to have water running down it. We dug this ditch right here to kind of try and get the water to flow off the road and down the hill. But it's running down the road to get to it. So really, we need to dig a ditch here on the side that flows into it. And then to address why this water's coming on the road at all in the first place, you can see it's coming from here. It's coming from up there. Let's go up high to look at it. What's happening is water comes down our mountain. That's high that way. Flows down the mountain, comes underneath our road through this pipe, comes out here and flows off that way. But the problem is there's a low spot right there. So water goes zoop, and some of it comes this way. And then it comes down, 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 right into the road. And so we have to make this ditch deeper as well. If we make that ditch deeper, that'll keep this water from flowing across the road, which is huge. It's just work.